Hi there, so this is how we spent our Easter Good Friday. We decided to visit the Karura forest, and let me tell you, this was one amazing day and the decision, best decision that we made, best decision. And I can tell you that the air was alive with the promise of adventure. As we stepped on the lush trails, our footsteps echoing against the tranquil symphony of rustling leaves and chirping birds. With each stride, we delved deeper into the sanctuary of greenery, enveloped by towering trees that seemed to whisper tales of centuries past. The canopy above offered shelter from the scorching sun, casting intricate patterns of light and shadow upon the forest floor. And there you can see my boys don't like me taking photos of them, but well, I am their mother and that is how I roll. So armed with our camera, we sought to capture the essence of this enchanted realm, each frame a testament to the beauty that surrounded us, from majestic waterfalls cascading down moss-covered rocks to hidden clearing bathed in ethereal light. Every moment was a treasure waiting to be immortalized. Time seemed to stand still as we lost ourselves in the rhythm of nature, our senses attuned to the subtle symphony of sight and sound. With each step, we discovered new wonders, from vibrant butterflies, or you should have seen them, flitting through the air, to elusive wildlife peeking out from the foliage. And here I'm talking about the dik-dik and the monkeys. Oh, that was awesome. As the golden hour approached, we found ourselves at the perfect vantage point, overlooking a breathtaking vista of verdant hills and winding trails. With steady hands and hearts filled with awe, we captured the essence of Karura forest in all its splendor, preserving a fleeting moment of serenity amidst the chaos of the world. As we emerge from the depths of the forest, and we had really gone deep into the forest. Knowing that this was the first time that my boys were enjoying the deep parts of the forest, my heart was light. And I tell you, it was rejuvenating. Our walk lasted for 1 hour and 45 minutes, almost 2 hours. But every step was worth it. And of course, my youngest complained here and there after doing over 1.5 hours. That was pretty good for him. That was really good. This was a beautiful decision that we made. Though our journey had been brief, the memories we had forged would linger on, a testament to the magic of Good Friday spent amidst the wonders of nature's embrace. Let me tell you, I would walk, run, spend time in this forest any time of the day. Happy Easter!